Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Adobe Acrobat Reader and licensing remnants, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Adobe Acrobat Reader from your computer, start by closing any open instances of the application. On Windows, click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel window, select Programs. Next, click on Programs and Features. Find Adobe Acrobat Reader in the list of installed programs. Once located, click on it to highlight the program. Now, click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow any prompts that appear to proceed with the uninstallation process. Once the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer. After your computer restarts, you may need to check for leftover files. To do this, open File Explorer. Navigate to the following directories: C:\program files and C:\program files, x86. Look for any folders named Adobe or Acrobat and delete them if they still exist. Next, open the Run dialog by pressing Windows+R. Type regedit and press Enter to open the Windows Registry Editor. Before making any changes, it's wise to back up the registry. To do this, click on File in the top left corner, then select Export. Choose a location and name for your backup, then click Save. After cleaning the registry, close the registry editor. Finally, empty your recycle bin to remove any deleted files permanently. Your system is now free from Adobe Acrobat Reader and its licensing remnants. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.